Hi, I'm Luca from DJI Enterprise Solution Engineering team. And in this video, you will learn about DJI FlightHub 2 features for construction and engineering projects. Picture this. A large construction project is in full swing. Bulldozers are moving soil, and trucks are hauling loads, and deadlines are tight. At the end of this week, the contractor submits their claim. We've moved 10,000 cubic meters of soil, but the client disagrees. They believe it's far less. This is a common story in the construction world, disputes over earthwork volumes. The contractor wants to be paid for every cubic meters moved, and the client wants proof before signing off. Traditionally, this back and forth means survey crews are sent out again, manual measurements are repeated, and days, sometimes weeks, are lost in argument. Now imagine if there was a way to settle down the debate in minutes. A way to pull up precise, transparent calculations that both sides can trust. That's exactly what the AEC Analyzer in the FlightHub 2 delivers. Part 1. Managing design files. One of the first things you can do with Analyzer is bring in your design files, DXF or PDF, directly into the project map. Instead of juggling separate platforms, your design drawings sit right inside the same environment, where your drawn models are stored. That means you can overlay them, compare them, and track process in a single place. For example, if you import a PDF plan, you can calibrate it by adding a few matching points on the map. Once aligned, it becomes a reference layer for your project. With DXF files, it goes even deeper. You can calibrate with coordinate systems for precise volume calculations. After importing the PDF file, click the Calibrate button to enter the calibration interface and calibrate the PDF file to the specific position on the map. Add at least 4 matching points and ensure the matching points are as dispersed as possible and not aligned in a straight line to achieve the best calibration effect. And you just need to click on the button Overlay on Map to show it on your project. This means that engineers and managers don't just see lines on the page. They see design intent integrated with the real-world models. Part 2. Tracking progress with timelines. Projects are not static, they evolve day by day, and keeping track of this evaluation is critical. The Analyzer offers timelines for both models and the media. On the model timeline, every 3D model you generate is automatically ordered by its collection date. You can scroll through and see how the site has changed over time, day by day, week by week, or month by month. It's like rewinding and fast-forwarding the project's history. For media files, timelines let you browse wide-angle, zoom, infrared, or panorama photos along a waypoint route. Imagine being able to click on a specific date and instantly see the photos captured from that exact location and compare it with photos captured at the same location but different time. This transforms progress tracking from guesswork into a visual story. Part 3. Powerful measurement tools. Now let's focus on the part that truly resolves disputes: measurement and calculation. The Analyzer gives you 4 categories of tools: line, cross-section, area, and model volume. Let's walk through them in this order. First, line measurements. With a simple click, you can measure the horizontal distance, the vertical distance, or even the spatial 3D distance between 2 points. It's quick, it's clear, and it gives you the numbers you need without sending survey crews back to the field. Second, slope and cross-section analysis. Next, if you want to evaluate the slope, Analyzer can calculate the slope angle, the altitude difference, or the grade ratio. You can extract the transverse sections of a single or multiple reconstructed model surfaces. You can obtain detailed height information by hovering over the mouse or clicking on the add point. Even more powerful, you can extract cross-sections along any path. That means you can overlay today's cross-section with last month's or with the design drawing and immediately see where the work has gone beyond or fallen short. For road projects or earthwork, this kind of profile analysis is invaluable. Third, area and perimeter measurements. When you draw a polygon, Analyzer gives you both the spatial area and the horizontally projected area, as well as the parameters. You can also compare altitude differences across that defined surface. This is perfect for measuring things like stockpile footprints or construction platforms, anywhere you need to quantify how much ground is being used. And finally, the most critical capability, volume measurement. For a single model, you can choose your baseline, maybe a triangulated mesh, a fated plane, or even a custom horizontal plane. Analyzer then calculates the cut volume, the fill volume, and the total. But where it really shines is in multi-phase comparisons. You can take 2 or more models from different dates, align them, and Analyzer will tell you exactly how much materials was removed or added between 2 phases. With these 4 measurement categories, line, cross-section, area, and model volume, Analyzer turns raw drawn data into rock-solid evidence. It's fast, accurate, and trusted by both contractors and clients. Part 4. Reporting and collaboration. Speaking of reports, Analyzer makes them not just easy, but also consistent. You can create report templates for content you need repeatedly. For example, monthly earthwork calculations or weekly progress updates. Templates ensures the right measurements and snapshots are included every time without rebuilding reports from scratch. And because reports can be scheduled and shared automatically, stakeholders, whether they are in their office or out of the field, stay aligned. Everyone is looking at the same data, the same visuals, and the same numbers. Part 5. Automation from flight to report. Now imagine if all this could happen automatically. That's exactly what Analyzer enables through workflow automation. Here's how it works. You set up a recurrent flight plan, let's say every Sunday morning. The drone collects the data, uploads it, and triggers a mapping task. The model is then synced directly into the Analyzer. And if you enable the advanced mode in your measurement configuration, the measurements and calculations are automatically performed into the automated workflow. And finally, a report is generated and sent to your inbox on Monday morning at 10 a.m. No manual file transfers, no extra steps, just a continuous loop from flight to mapping, to measurement, to reporting. This means your team always has the latest data at hand without lifting a finger after the setup. So what's the takeaway here? The AEC Analyzer isn't just another set of tools. It's a platform that transforms how we manage engineering and construction projects. It takes scattered data and unifies it. It turns manual work into automated workflows. And it gives every stakeholders, from field crews to executives, the clarity that they need to move projects forward. And that's the power of DJI's FlightHub 2 with AEC Analyzer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to DJI Enterprise YouTube channel for more videos.